Hi, my name is Casey Messersmith, and here's my Shiny app. So here's it published in shinyapps.io, and then you open the app, and so first we have the default year being 2000, like we requested in the assignment, and over here on the left hand corner is the four widget items. I know there's supposed to be five, and I added the fifth one into the facet section. So essentially you open up the app and it shows like just the default values and the app. So we have the year 2000, it shows all of the storms, their full pass for the year of 2000. And then down here we have our data table, and we can edit how many entries we want to see, and that changes down here. But we want to see maybe the first 10 entries of our data table. And it shows the name of the storm, the date that the storm started, the end date, the max wind that the storm reached, and the minimum pressure of the storm. And then for our widget values, so first we can change the like year that we're looking at, so we can look at 2003 for example instead. And then we have the facet options. First we have the option for month that was required in the assignment. If we click that, we can see that it faceted all of our values by month. And then I also gave the option to facet by status. This is the fifth widget element I added in, the additional one that we were allowed to add in, and that will facet it by just the status of the storm. So whether it's a tropical storm, a tropical depression, as seen here. And then if I go back to, excuse me, the normal just path, we can consider the wind speed, which will change the size of each point value based on the wind. So higher winds are in bigger dot values. And then finally, what we can look at is if we want to only look at the major hurricanes, it will do that for us as well by selecting show only major hurricanes. And then we can see we have the full storm pass. So some cool things we can do is say we want to look at, we can also combine these features. So we can look at just the major hurricanes by status, or just the major hurricanes, for example, by month. And maybe we want to consider the wind speed at the same time. And we have that, and we just have our title up here. But yeah, pretty basic. And again, this is where I added the fifth widget element. But I think it meets all of the requirements of the assignment, and it was pretty fun to make. Thank you.